Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy. So let me just check if I am audible and visible there. Then we'll start the session. So today, as the session name, we will be doing the logarithms. Okay, and okay, fine, I am visible there. So we'll be the logarithms, and we'll be also doing few maximum minima questions. So if you see like previous year CAT papers, recent previous year CAT papers, you definitely get few logarithm questions there and few maximum minimum questions. There are overall 3-4 questions that you definitely get from these two topics. Okay, so before we start, I am Rahul Anant. Just a quick. So I'm Rahul Anand. I'm a computer science engineer. I'm currently pursuing my MBA at FMS Delhi. Hello, Shiom. So I hope I am audible and visible there. So if okay. So before we start, this is one important thing there. Like who are preparing for UMATs or other examination, like you have IFT, and I think JAD also, where GK is asked. Like this is a test series that you can join for. Okay, just a second. At any point, guys, if you have any question and queries, you can just put in the comment section. I like in the chat. I can see there. Okay, so just a second. Let me just a second. Okay, so as we will be doing today your log questions and this few maximum minimum questions. So before we start, so one more thing that now there are very few days are left. Like today's 20th now, about 6 days are left. So in these 6 days, like you should focus on like revising all the things. So that's why I started this thing. I think this will be helpful. Like things will be like very simple, not any complicated things. We'll be doing very basic things. Just these are for your revisions. Okay, so this is the first question, guys. Try this question. I'm giving you about few seconds time, then we'll discuss. Okay, give it a try, then we'll discuss. And just if you have any queries, any question, you can just put in the chat section there. Okay, I'm having look at that this thing. So if I have any queries, any comment there, you can just put that in the chat section. I'm having look at this. Okay, so try this very simple question. So all these question, like these are the type of questions that you have found many times in the CAT. Okay, so that these questions, if you do is these type, like they will revise your concepts, and like most probably you can get these type of questions also in the exam. Okay, so these are like very good question there. 4. Okay, so it's a very simple question. Anyone else has also got answer? So like if options were there, that's this become very simple also there. If options are not there, even this question, just see this thing, what value we can put here. Like basically this is log and this value most probably going to be integer. Okay, this value going to be the positive integer. So what value we put here? Suppose we put 1 here. So this is fine, but this is not fine. This is root 6, fine. So 1 is not there. So if you put 2, so 2 definitely not there. 3, 4. If you put 4 there, so it becomes 9, it becomes 4, so this becomes 3, this becomes 2, so this becomes 5, 5, this becomes 1, and this becomes 5, this becomes 1, and log 7 1, that is equals to 0. So that's why x equals to 4 is the answer. Okay, definitely you can solve this, but instead of solving, I would recommend you to like do these type of questions in such a manner. Wherever you see that root type of thing in the log, try to make the integer, try to use the options, like whatever, like who can try, like who can crook, whatever you can do there, just apply this approach instead of going to the just part of the solutions. Okay, so let's come to the second question. I hope this is clear. You can normally solve this question, no issue with this question. Very simple question, just you have to take the power both side, there will not be any issue. Okay, fine. Anyone has any doubt in this question, just let me know, guys. Any queries, just let me know there. Just let me know. Okay, second question. This like very popular question. Like if you have attended my classes, definitely you have seen this question. And believe me, this question I have been like this is your CAT 2018 or 19. I think 19 question. Okay, and I have been teaching since like 17 18, and believe me, I have been teaching since then this concept, and this question like you will get there. Okay, so it is not like that this concept that I'm gonna tell, this shortcuts or whatever you say, that is Washim, what you want to repeat, last question or this one? Wasim, just let me know which one, last question do you want to repeat? Okay, Wasim, no problem, we are just doing this question. Okay, so we are doing today logarithms and few maximum minima questions. Okay, we'll be doing logarithm questions, and then we'll be doing few maximum minima questions. Wasim, just try this question, then we'll discuss how to solve this question. Okay, I will tell the concept like how to solve this type of question. I think like Sivam and whoever has attended classes, they definitely know this approach. But who doesn't know, like then it will be very helpful for you guys. Okay, Wasim, I will come to that question. Just right now, just try this question. I will go back to that. Okay, Wasim, is it fine? Right now, just try this question. Then we'll go back to the first one. Then I will explain. Is it fine? So, what is answer? Sivam, are you there? What is the answer? Guys, quickly, this is the easiest question, I think, if you know the concept there. So on this question, on this concept again, the cat has asked many time questions. Siom, what is the answer? Are you there? Just want to see that if you remember the concept. Okay, so let's discuss. I think this was enough time. So whenever you see this type of question is given there. So definitely what I was going to tell, that suppose let's take a to the power x, b to the power y, and here is ab to the power z. Okay, okay. Yeah, right. So in this type of question, what is this thing? 1 upon x plus 1 upon y equals to 1 upon z. So same thing we have to make here. We have to make here same thing, and this question can be solved very simply. So what we will do, see this thing and see this thing. 5.5 to the power x 10 cube equals to, no, just point triple five y equals to, this is this, when you multiply this with the 10, you get the 5.55x. Okay, so just same thing will apply. 1 upon y plus 1 upon 3 equals to 1 upon x. That comes 1 upon 3 equals to that we required. Fine, simple. So just remember this thing, this is very important thing. Okay, so like if you have seen, I have told this thing many times, you guys. This is your in your solution and mixture. This is in your geometry. This is in your TSD. Everywhere this expression is very important. Every year in the CAT, you definitely get a one question that is based on this expression. You may not able to recall, may not be able to find that thing. Okay, Wasim, just see this thing. See last question. Just I will quickly go through. So what I was telling, Wasim, just see here in this question. So in these type of questions, what we do, you definitely can solve, but instead of just jump to the solution, so definitely in the exam there will be, most of the time there will be options. But if options are not there, even also then we can just check for the numbers. Like I would check for definitely here 1. So 1 is not, this will not be integer. If I put 2 here, so 2 is not, so definitely next number will be 4. So for the 4, these two are integers, this is 5. So it basically it becomes log 7 log 5, and this is log 5, so this becomes log 7 1, that's equals to 0. Wasim, is this thing clear? But suppose these options are not there and like you don't want to try this approach, then definitely that's also simple. That will also not take any time to solve this question. Wasim, just let me know, is this thing clear? Then what we will do, we will take 7 to the power 0, so that's become 1, and this get cancelled. then I will take 5, so this becomes 5, so this becomes x plus root plus x equals to 5. Again, now like you have to solve this become quadratic equation. Again you have to at this point guess. It is better to guess here. Okay, it will be like complicated to solve, but it is better to like just put value here. Again we are getting the same thing. Like what we have to do, we have to just bring this side and like this thing. So instead of this process, we can just directly get their answer. Fine. Okay, solve this one. Try this one, then we'll discuss. Let x and y be positive real numbers such that this is given and this is given, then x y equals to, you need to find the product of x and y. You need to find the product of x and y. Let x y be positive real numbers such that this is there 150. 150. Okay, 15, 10. Okay, I think we should start. So what is there? If we see, this is given, this is given. Okay, so basically I hope you all know all the basic that we call relation or concept that are related to this formulas or whatever related to log. Okay, all the conversion and all the thing. So I'll be using all that thing. So that's, as this class are like your revision, or you can say just that thing. So I will not explain all these formulas. I hope you are understanding what I am doing here. Okay, so just keep checking at any point. If it is not clear, so just let me know. Okay, then I will explain, else I will not explain anything here. So this is fine. And similar way for this one, log 5 x square minus y square. Just keep checking the calculation and all the things there. Okay, if I commit any calculation kind of mistake, just let me know. Fine, this is 3, so what it becomes 5 and 125. 125. So this is there. So what I will do now, we need a multiplication of x and y. So y upon x we have. So what I will do, I will take x square here, and this will become y upon x square equals to 125. I hope this is visible there. Okay, I hope this is visible there. So let me write it here. I hope I am not hiding the part. This, my video is not hiding this thing. Then just put here, that is 4 by 9. 4 by 9 equals to 125. So this is 9. So 9 will come here, and this is 5. So 25. So x equals to 5 into 3. X equals to 15. Yeah, I think Siom has got it right. Similar way, we will now just put the value anywhere. We can just get this thing now. Now it's become simple. So x equals to 15. So if x is 15, so y will be 2 by 3 into x. So that is 10. So xy equals to 150. Wasim, is this thing clear? Everyone just let me know, is this thing clear? Is this thing clear? Anyone has doubt, just let me know, else we'll move to the next thing. Siom, I hope you have done this thing instead of solving. Is there any other way? I think this is the thing, best thing there to do. Instead of like solving this, putting the value x in the term of y, this is the better approach. Fine. So let's see the next question. So this question I think we have done in the same question in the class. Very simple. Just think, just you need to like think for this question 50-60 seconds, not 50-60, 10-20 seconds, then like it should come in your mind. Very simple question, very simple one. So I hope you remember this question in the class you have discussed. You're not able to solve that. Okay, 15 square minus 10 square. 15 square minus 10 square. That like, okay, that is also fine. But like you must know that thing now, 15 square minus 10 square equals to 125. Fine. So that is the same thing I have done in the formula term. You have just directly remembered that thing. Okay, so quickly just let me the answer for this. Just type, so just let me the answer. Okay. So believe me, this question comes in the mock, like you'll find like 70% of Janta will leave this question. Okay, so it should not happen. Very simple question. Just see here. Everyone just see, very simple question there. This is, I hope you guys have tried. So there's, we should not waste time. So this not gonna affect. So this is x by a. So similar, you know, log 10 1 equals to 0. So in this multiplication, if anything becomes 0, this complete expression will become 0. This complete, so this type question can come. Okay, this type question like may not be like similar, but some other way, like in the trigonometry also this type question come, like where lengthy, like this expression will be given and one term. Yeah, that's why this question definitely comes in the CAT, this type of, like maybe trigonometric expression, maybe something else there. So like suppose one value will be affecting the complete expression. Okay, maybe some value may be there. One value will be affecting all other expression, complete expression. Okay, so there is one such value, that is log x upon x. So that is basically log 10 1, that is 0. So this is the product, this is affecting the complete value of x, this expression. Okay, so like I know this question is very simple, but I've taken this question, I just want you to like be little attentive this type of question there. Okay, it is not like that I want you to solve this question, it is just because I want you to like be aware of these kind of question, these very simple question there, and don't leave these questions. Okay, so just be aware, like these type of things can be there when some question seems to be very complicated. Definitely maybe that question is very simple. Yeah, Wasim. Okay, so 0 is the right answer. Fine, so you can see, very simple question. Okay, so this question, again this question you all know, I hope. But again I have taken this question because if you can solve this question, if you can solve this question, definitely I think like you know all the concepts of the law. This is the very classic question from CAT 2003. Definitely you should do this question before like going for exam. Okay, this is the one such type of question. All the, I think, law concepts are covered in this question itself. So very good question. Like just try. I hope you all definitely know the answer. Like you have must have done this many times this question. But like if you haven't done, like someone is fresher or some, like you haven't seen up to now this question. So this is very important question. This is the very important question there. Definitely this question will not be there. This has been asked in the 2003. But all the concepts of your law will be checked in this question itself. So quickly, I think like just few seconds, then we'll discuss. So just to inform you, this is the question in 2003. See, this question was asked in 2000, I think 18. I didn't remember, but 2018. So that's why I tell these type are like classic questions. So these will be repeated. Like you will not able to recall, but these questions will be repeated. Okay, Vashim. Okay, so let's discuss. So this is log 3, and so I will not like explain all the thing. I expect from you guys like you know these things. And cube is here. Fine. And after that, so this you can make log. So basically 0.008. So 0.2 का cube हो जाएगा ये, and cube will come here like this, and like this, this can go here like this, and after that this will be 1 by 5. So this will be 5 minus 1, minus will be here, so 1 minus log 5. Just keep checking calculations. Okay, anywhere I commit any mistake, just let me know. So 1 minus 1 by 3, and this becomes 1 now, this becomes 1. So this is basically 2 by 3. So log 3, I hope till now whatever calculation I have done is this right, these are right. 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3. So let's bring 3 here, let's bring 3 here, 2 is here, and this 3, this 3 become make it power, so m and 9, and this 3 here, this 3 here, so m and 9 equals to 9. Okay, so this is your n9 equals to n by m. Okay, Wasim, just check your answer. Wasim, just check your answer. Second option is right. Second option is right. Second option is right. Wasim, just check if this is clear. If you have doubt, just let me know, else we'll move to the next. Okay, all these questions like are those type of question you may have seen earlier, but these are like kind of question that you'll be seeing like many time in the CAT. So it is not like that in the CAT exam question doesn't repeat. Question repeat, but like not your banking SSC type of exam. There they give you same type question, but they just like give this type of question. See, like this is there is similarity. If you like can solve this question, second line में. Okay, okay. Sorry, I erased that part. Amrit, just let me check. Just a second. In this second line, okay, I will quickly do this thing again. Okay, because like I just erased that part. So this becomes log 3 and m 1 by 3 n cube equals to 1 plus, and this is your 0.2 ka cube. Okay, and this is now we will work on just this part. So this cube will be 1 by 3 here log, and this becomes 5 to the power minus 1. So basically this is your 5, so this becomes 1 minus 1 by 3. Up to this clear, Amrit, just let me know up to this is clear. So this is your 2 by 3, this is your 2 by 3. So log 3 m 1 by 3 n ka cube equals to 2 by 3. Amrit, just let me know this is clear up to now. So like 3 bring this side, and this 3 will come in the power, this 3 will come in the power, so this 3 cancelled and this becomes 9, this 2, and now take 3 both side power, so this 3 becomes 1, so m n 9 becomes 3 to the power 2, that's become 9. Amrit, just let me know quickly this is clear. Fine. Okay, so like you can see how many things we have done here, like that's why this is a very classic and important question. Now solve this question. Now you guys solve this question quickly. The value of this is equal to, so just let me, I hope this is your base. Okay, this is your base. Just let me write log base this one root 5 plus log 81 base root 3 minus 1 minus 7. This is the expression. This is the expression. This is also from previous CAT, I think 2019 maybe. Anyone got answer for this? Same thing is there. Okay, same way we will discuss, same will we will solve this question. So like in these all sessions, I think there will be more 5 sessions. So if you like be attentive, like if you can observe these things in the paper, definitely you get like definitely you get 4 or 5 questions that will be exactly from these concepts, but it will be up to you that you can observe this thing there. Okay, see, fine. Okay, let's discuss quickly. So log, in the CAT, the important part is that they hide the data in such a manner that like seems to be complicated, but if you solve, questions are like normal type of questions are not difficult, just the thing that you're not able to like see the hidden part that is there. Okay, so that again same thing. So what we have find this was this finally becomes 1 by 3, and this finally become minus, so this is 5, and this is 1 by 2, so this is 1 by 6, fine. And this is your 3, fine. So let's bring here 2, 1 by 2 ka, and this is 4, so let's bring here, and this is minus 7. So 1 by 6 plus 8 plus 1, no? So 6, 5 by 6, yeah, this is right, this is right. Yeah, Amrit, right. Amrit, Tarun, Syam. Wasim, is this clear? Wasim, is this clear? Okay. So you can see this question was asked in CAT 2018, 18 or 19, maybe recent question is there. Okay. Suppose you have solved this question already. Okay. Suppose you have solved this question already. You will be definitely able to solve this question like within 1 minute. Hardly it will take 50-60 seconds. Like in the algebra, in the geometry, I've told it doesn't take time to read or understand the question. You see the question, you understand what you need to do there. This is not like your arithmetic question is easy, but that language is like a passage, you have to read, you have to comprehend the data. But there is not such thing, you just see the data, you're just able to see that what you require to do this in question. Okay, so that things are little good in your algebra and all the thing there. So try this question again, very simple question. So this is your base 3, 5 by 3, and this is your 3 by 5, base 5, base 5, and base 5, 8, 5. So this is given, you need to find the value of x. This is also 2018 maybe. So log question, definitely you can see like they're always simple, and every year they are definitely these two questions definitely are from log. So this year, as the number of questions are supposed to expected to decrease, so definitely we can not 2 3, definitely we can expect one question definitely from log, and 1 or 2 question from maximum minima. So overall from these two topics, maximum minima and log, we can expect 2 3 question there in the CAT this year. Fine. So what is the answer, guys? Quickly just let me know the answer for this one. If x is a positive quantity such that 2x to the power this thing, if you know the log property, this question is there. Just if you see, you were able to just get the answer. Just by seeing this question you can solve if you know the all log properties. I hope you all are aware of. Like at this stage, I definitely expect that you all are aware of log properties. If you are not, like just take half an hour, that's more than enough for the log. Just revise, just go through all the formulas, all the conversions that are there. Okay, okay, Tarun has got D. Shivam, your answer? Shivam, Amrit, just quickly last seconds, then we'll discuss. We have done more difficult questions in the class, in the plus classes also, special classes also, few questions. But right now it is not time to discuss the difficult things. Right now is the time we discuss the like more relevant, more conceptual things. Okay, so don't think that these are very easy, these things will come in exam and you will miss. So that's why these things are there, you should not miss these easy things there. Okay, Sivam, did you get the answer? Sivam, Amrit, Tarun has got, I think that is right. So just see this question, this is very simple. So I hope you all are aware of this property of log. What happened? Okay, this property of log a log base b c. So this is c log b a. Is this right or not? Is this is the property? This is the property. So if this is the property, if this is the property, so 2x 3 log 5 2. Okay, so what I will do, I will just change this thing, 2x equals to 2 to the power log 5, and this is 3. So what we get, x equals to log 5 3. Now answer written there is not directly. Okay, that is in like again you have to check which option is there. You have to just arrange the options. Okay, just you have to do the few calculations in the options also. So this is definitely not if you check this thing, log 3 5 minus log 3 3 3. So this is not, this is not, So this is answer. So how this is answer? Log 5 3 minus log 5 5. So this becomes 1. So this is the answer. Fine. Yeah, Arpit right. Arpit, Amrit, both you are right. Fine. So let's come to the next thing. Now maximum minima questions. What is the find the maximum value of this thing? Try this. I am giving about 1 minute, then we'll discuss. Find the maximum value of this given expression. Okay, so those are the log properties. Definitely, like if you are not aware of completely all properties of log, so what you can do, just like take half an hour, that is more than enough. Go through all the formulas, all the conversions, all the things that are there in the log. Okay, that will hardly take half an hour, and will definitely, like, most probably will get one question from the log. So we discuss, anyone has got answer? So this is quadratic equation written in your denominator part. Tarun 1, okay, 1. Okay. Okay, so maximum value. So when this will be maximum, when this will be maximum, when this will be minimum, when this will be minimum, x square minus 4x plus 1, when this will be minimum. So this is your quadratic equation. This is your quadratic equation with this type. Okay, with this type of parabola. This is, so it will have always minima. It will have a fixed minima. So what will the value of minima? Value of minima is minus d upon 4a. I know that most of you guys like will try to use your differentiation approach. That is also right, but like I would not recommend for any your calculations. Minus 1 by 3 Amrit has got. Okay, so for any of your calculation of this type of where quadratic is there, so just remember this. For the quadratic, this is there, minus d upon 4a, minus d upon 4a. This will be your maxima there. Fine. And like let if you want to that way, that is also fine, no issue there. 2x equals to that is 4 no, so x equals to 2, x equals to 2. Fine na, x equals to 2. So x equals to 2. uh, we don't need to check here. Okay, just see this thing, we don't need to check here. At this point there will be maxima or minima, because we know this is the curve. So at this point this gonna be minima anyway. Okay, so just see this thing, this is helpful. Like you don't need to check if this is maxima or minima. So we put x equals to 2 here, so that is 8 and plus 1, so that is 5. That is 5 and minus 8 plus 1, minus 1 by 3. Okay, so if I put x equal to 0 here, now maximum value will be 1. Just a second. Maximum value, so this will be minima, but this is minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is right, but maximum value 1 is greater than, that is 3. So definitely it will be 1. If you put x equals to 0 here, I think they must have like x equals to 0. If you put, let me just check this thing, x equal to 0, put no problem there, no issue there, x equal to 0. Fine, 1 is fine, I think 1 is fine. 1 is fine. 1 is fine here. X equal to, put 0 here, you will get the, that is 1. Amrit, just check. Your approach is fine, but I think like this thing is also should be there. I think that's why maybe I have taken this question. But maybe this question was for the minima, that maybe, but for also that is not right. Fine. So x equal to 0, that will the maxima, that will be the 1. Is this fine, Amrit? Just check this thing. This very simple thing. That is 1. Okay. What I was telling, whenever you see quadratic equation, d equals to minus d upon 4a, this is your maxima or minima, and other is minus b upon 2a. Okay, you can you can confirm this. I may not remember it right now. You can confirm this thing by your derivation also. Sign needs to be considered. Yeah, sign needs to be considered. That's why I told. No, that's why I told. Sign needs to be considered. That's you see here. That is your one is the maximum answer. Fine, fine. So you need to aware of these things also. Let's come to the next question. Is this clear to you all? Anyone has doubt? Just put x equals to that. You are getting minus 1 by 3. From that, until unless there is some conditions that are given there on the x. Okay, suppose like maybe some conditions are imposed on the x, then maybe different answer, then maybe that x, that maybe. But if there is not any condition, like suppose there may be condition also, maybe like this was also given there, x not equal to 0. Fine, is this clear? Yeah, Amrit, fine. Okay, so that's why, like, again I am telling, there are easy questions, but the questions are those type you have to be observable there. Okay, fine. So this question again, very simple question. Quickly try. This is also simple question. This, I think this is very simple till now. This is very simple. So one more thing, at this particular time is this, don't try to just get into difficult question. Don't waste your half an hour. Like, you got one difficult question and you are like half hour you are wasting time there. Okay, instead of in that half an hour, revise 10 concept there. That will be more beneficial instead of wasting a time in any difficult question. Fine, because in the cat, like, out of 24 question, definitely like hardly 4 or 5 questions will be difficult, and all the questions gonna be moderate to easy. So you have to focus on the major thing, not on those 4 and 5 questions. Quickly, just let me answer. This is very simple. This is very simple. If a b c d are 4 positive real numbers such that a b c d equals to 1, what is the minimum value of this thing? Minimum value 1. No, just check minimum value of this one. ABCD are 4 positive real numbers. Just see the statement, na, Arpit. Option 2. No. Just read the statement. 4 positive real numbers. 4 positive real numbers. Okay, so here what will be? You have to take a equals to b equals to c. That is 1. Just put in here. So you'll get 2 to the power 4. That 16 will be the answer. 16 will be the answer for this one. Fine. So this was very easy. I was expecting that this you guys will got very early. So we move to the next one. So this type question has been there, and most probably like you can may seen in the CAT also. So try this one. In the equation x and y integers, what is the largest possible value of x? 3x plus 4y. Yeah, Arpit, 16 is the right. 16 is right. 16 was right for previous question. 16 was right. Solve this one. In the equation x square plus y square minus 14x minus 6y minus 7 equals to 0. Okay, no issue. So just like these are the things that you have to just consider in the exam. Okay, these are the things that you have to be attentive in the exam. These are the like small things that there you may lose your marks. So definitely just be attentive. In equation x square plus y square minus 14x minus 6y minus 7 equals to 0. So simple, na? I hope you have seen this type questions earlier also. But again, these are also important questions. May not be this type of question, but similar type of question, that same concept will be required where you need to make perfect square, the kind of thing. Questions can be there. Okay. Maybe they like gave you in the form of coordinate geometry, maybe like somewhere they can give this type kind of questions. Anyone got answer, guys? Anyone has answer for this one? Anyone have answer for this? In the equation x square plus y square minus 14x minus 6y. So I hope you all are aware of these concept. You have to just try to make a perfect square, and you'll get like equate to 0. You'll get the value of x and y that you need to put there. You'll get your answer. 73. Okay. Okay, let's discuss. So in the equation x square plus y square minus 14x minus 6y minus 7 equals to 0. Okay, so x square minus this is your 14x, so 2 into 7x. So we need plus 49 minus 49 here, and plus y square, and this is your minus 6y, and we need 2 into 3, so we need plus 9 and minus 9. Fine. And this is minus 7 equals to 0, and this becomes your x minus 7 ka whole square, I think. Is this fine? Fine, na, till now whatever I've done. And y, okay, y plus 49 this side, minus 49 here, 49 this side, and what we have done, plus 7 this side again. I hope this is visible there, and plus 9 here. Fine. So y minus 3 ka whole square. Is this fine? So 49 and 16, 49 16, that is 65. This is fine. What is this thing? Are we doing it right? We are doing it right. What is the largest possible value of 3x plus y? Y minus 3. Y minus 3, yeah. Y minus 3, that is fine. And so basically, so I put what values will be there? X and y are integers. What is the largest possible value of 3x plus y? So 3x plus y. So basically, if you see, this will be circle. This will be circle, no? 3 is to 7. 3 comma 7 will be its 7 comma 3 will be its center, and you need to find maximum value of 3x plus 4y. So maximum value will be when y will be maximum. When y will be maximum. When y will be maximum. I think, is this right? This 3x plus 4y will be maximum when y will be maximum. So y maximum, क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें? Y maximum, so x को minimum कर दें, 63, no, 2x 3y, insanely, what you have done? Quickly just let me know what you have done. Any other way, x and y are integers. What is the largest possible value of 3x plus y? So I think this way. Equals to, this was right now, 49. Quickly, anyone just let me know what is this right now. minus 49. So where we have got 65. 65. 2x no, 3y no. So what we can do here, maximum value of y we can take here 7 3, and center is your 7 comma 3. Okay, no, so 7 comma 3, center is 7 comma 3, largest possible. This is not x and y are integers, this thing is there, this we have to use. Okay, this thing we have to use. So if you see this thing, okay, x square plus y square, this is your 13 into 5. If you see this thing, this is your triplet 5 12 13. Is this there? Is this there? Is this triplet is there, guys? Just let me know. But this should be square, this should be square. Then yeah, we have to check for the integer values. We have to check for the, like, we have to check the condition that if this is integer or not. So for what values? 7 165. So 64 plus 1, this can be one value, 64 plus 1. So if we put here 4, if we put 4 here, so y equals to 4. Okay, y equals to 4. So this made 64. So how much value of x? How much value of x? 8. X minus 7 equals to 8, so 15. So x equals to 15. If we put this way, we have to do this way, we have to, and y equals to 4. So this is one value. So now if you try to we have to check if you try to this one. Okay, if you try to this equals to 1, so this is x equals to 8. We have to do anyway, maximize the y. Okay, y minus 3 equals to 8. So this is 8 3 11. 8 3 11. Now just check for these two values, which value is maximum. Fine. So we have one, x equals to 8, other is y equals to 11. So I put 3 24 plus 44, and this is 68 now. Okay, and this is 45, and this is 16. So this is the your answer, 68 your largest value. So that I told that you need to maximize the y. Is this thing fine? Is this clear? So this was a good question. This was a good question. Till now, whatever we have done, this is the good question. Is this fine, guys? We have to like check this thing that x and y are integers. So we have to take such values and we have to maximize the y here. You see here we have two solutions, but we focus on the solution that y has a maximum. Is this thing clear? Amrit, is this thing clear? Amrit, Arpit, Ek. Fine. So these type of questions can be also there definitely. Like generally I was expecting that this question will be will make the perfect square, like this will happen, like 3 squared something, and this will become y plus 4 squared something equals to 0. Okay, generally we got this type of question, no? Generally we got here, we will get x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 4. But in this question we see something was different. Okay, fine. Okay, let's come to the next question. So definitely this was a good one. So generally we got this type of thing. I was expecting that we will get directly this thing, but there was something else. So this you need to take care of. X and y are integers. Okay, try this. So this is a one type of question there. So I will tell you approach for this kind of questions. Just quickly try this question, then we'll discuss. I just taken this question. I just want to say your approach for this kind of question. Definitely you all know that AP GP approach you can use here, and for this basically these approaches are used. Arithmetic mean greater than geometric mean. Okay, and this approach, these are approaches are used here. But I will tell you like something I find easier. So if you also find that easier, then you can apply, else whatever you are using, that is also fine. Okay, maxima and minima. Okay, where is one, just a second, where is one question? A plus b is, this is given. Okay, yeah, this is that question. Fine. Solve this one quickly, guys. This is simple one. If a, b, c are positive variables, a plus b plus c equals to 12, find the maximum value of this one, 24. Okay, okay, let's discuss, because I hope you all know this thing. Okay, so a plus 1 this side, and b plus 2 this side, and plus c equals to 12. So this becomes 15 here. This becomes 15 here. I think that is not right. So 5 5 125. Amrit, 125. Guys, 125 is the answer. What you have done? Just check. Is this clear? Is this clear? Why? What is issue? Just see what I have done. Is this clear? 125 is the answer. Arpit, okay, I think there is YouTube in the YouTube there is delay of like 50-20 seconds. I think this is clear. So what we will do, a plus 1, I will try to make this thing here, a plus 1, b plus 2, a equals to b equals to c4. Amrit, just check. That is for if that is ABC now. That is for when this is ABC. But this is not ABC now. We have to convert in this form. We have to convert in this form. So that's why 12 plus 3, that is 15. So now you will do it. Now you will do, Amrit, now you will do 5 5 5. So put here 5 5 5. So that is 125. Is this right? Is this clear? Amrit, is this clear? Anyone has doubt? Amrit, Arpit, Ek, Senli. Is this clear, guys? Quickly. So do we move to the next one? So do we move to the next one? So if you find the values of A, so value of A will be 4, value of B will be 3, value of C will be 5, for which this is the maximum. This expression is the maximum. Fine. Okay, let's come to the next one. Solve this one. Riddhi, is this not clear? Riddhi, just now let's focus on this question. Then I think you will get the idea. Okay, Riddhi. I don't know. Like this is the YouTube problem. Okay, I don't think it can be delayed. Okay, Riddhi, just focus on this question. I will explain. Then, if you have still doubt, we'll go back to the previous question. Is this fine? Is this fine? Quickly try. I'm just giving you like few seconds. Just see the question. Just try to solve whatever approach you are using. Just try. Heavy delay. I don't think anything can be done from my side. 1954-55. Okay, so you guys just try. I'm solving here. Okay, because there is delay, so it's better just let me show you approach. So basically what we will do in this type of question, I will write A here, fine, and power here. Same thing I have done in the previous question also, but you are not able to observe that because that I will come back to previous question also. B 2b, okay, this b 2b upon 5. Definitely I expect from you guys that you know AMGM approach. Okay, I'm not explaining that here. That is also must thing you must know. 3c upon 1 equals to 63 upon 3 plus 5 plus 1, so that is 9, so that is 7. So from here I get A equals to 21, B equals to how much, 35 by 2. Just keep checking the calculations. If I do any mistake, you just let me know. C equals to 7 by 3. I hope this is right. So A cube 21 into 21 into 21 and B 5. So B is 35 by 2, 35 by 2, 35 by 2, 35 by 2, 35 by 2. You can just definitely write in the power. I'm just like, it's not this way. 7 by 3. So anything get cancelled? 3. Just as this thing is cancelling. So just this thing is gathered. So this will be your answer. This will be your answer. 5 5. Every calculation I had right, I expect 35 by 2. Only 35 by 2. This is power na, a to the power 3, b to the power 5, c 7 by 3. Yeah, c 7 by 3 and 35 by 2, and yeah. So this will be your answer. Whatever expression you get here, that will be your answer. Yeah, that will be long answer. Whatever answer is this will be answer. Just remember this approach. Okay, that is the important part there. So if you I read this now, just see, I saw this thing here. I just see show you this same thing here. Everyone just see here. We'll do same thing in this question also. So a plus, so what I will take a, not a, I will first make whatever given here, a plus 1, b plus 2 plus c. So I have to add 3 this side, so that is there. So now a plus 1 I will take, power is 1, power is 1. I will take b plus 2, b plus 2, b plus 2, power is 1, power is 1. C, power is 1, that is equal to, that is equal to 12, no, that is equal to 12 and by 3, so that is 4. So you get a equals to 3, b equals to, b equals to, what is this, b equals to 3 4, and is, okay, sorry, this was 15, this was 15, this was 15, this was 15, no, 12 was not, 12 was for this it was 15, so this is 5, so this is 5. So a is 4, b is 3, c is your 5. So if you put this value here, you put this value here, you get 125. Is this fine? Are you able to like see that thing? Riddhi, is this thing clear now? Riddhi, is this thing clear? Fine. So same thing I have done in the next question also. So whenever you have question for find the maxima, you have to use this approach. So now I will quickly show you the approach for the minima. So this is the minima question. Okay, so what we'll do in the minima question, so minima question, same thing will follow. 3a, I will write 3a upon, that is power 4. Okay, 5b, and by 2 I will equate with the k. Okay, I will equate with the k. Now I will get a here in the terms of k. I will get a here in the terms of k. So a equals to 4k by 3, and b equals to 2 by 5k. Fine. Okay, we will discuss that thing. Just let's just right now just focus on this thing, then I will tell. Okay, so this is there. So now just put these value here, just put these value here, you will get the value of k. So let's do this thing quickly. 4 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4, k to the power 4 into 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, k to the power 2 equals to 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 2, 5 to the power 4. So 5 to the power 6 this side, 2 to the power 4. So this is 2 to the power 4, this is 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 is left there. 2 to the power 2 is left there. So this is your 2 to the power 8. This is your 2 to the power 8 now. 2 to the power 8. So 2 to the power 6 remains here. So k square is your 3 to the power 6. No, k square, not k6. 5 to the power 6 and 2 to the power 6. So your k is 15 by 2. 15 by 2. Now just put here the values of a, b, you will get your answer. Fine. So this is your approach for minima. For minima it is little lengthier, not as much. Definitely you can use AMGM also, that will be also this much. Okay, but for maximum this approach is very fast. For the maximum you can see this approach very fast. For this also fine, but not as fast. Okay, this takes same time for as you take time for the AMGM. but for the maximum this approach is very fast. Fine. So this is the last question, guys. So let me explain. Let's quickly finish this thing. Okay, so for this type question, again I am going to tell a approach that you have to use always. So first let's draw critical point, -4 here and 0 here and 3 here and 3 here. -4, 0, 3 here, these are the critical points. So now just find the value of this expression at -4. So this is 0, 4 and minus 11. At 0, 4, 3, 1. Okay, at 3 this is 4, and we need the for the 2, so for the 2, so now you will check one solution will be here 1 2 4. Okay, and after that we have to check if this is increasing or decreasing. So let's put 4 here, 4 in this expression. So 4 4 8 -4, 4 minus 3 1, so 8 minus 5 3. So this is decreasing, so this is decreasing. So let's check for the 5. So 5 4 9 minus 5 minus 2, 9 7 2. So one solution is 5, one solution is x equal to 5. And next solution, so let me check for the 2. So 6 2 4 4, yeah, for the 2 to 6 minus 2. For the 2, no, for not for the 2. Let's check for the 1. So 5 minus 3 2. So these are the two solutions, x equal to 5 and 2. Definitely, like I expect you all like understood this part. It may little complicate, but again these are as these are just your boost up session kind of thing there, not in complete detail. So for the complete detail, you can go to the my profile there, Rahul Anant. You will getting all these thing I have taken there in detail. If you have plus, go watch in the you can message me. I can give you the class, which class is there. I have discussed this last part, this last question. Okay, fine. So I hope you guys like this session. So let's meet tomorrow again, same time. We'll be coming with, I think tomorrow we'll do the functions. Again, same type of few good questions, that expected kind of things that CAT has been asking. Very relevant question as per your CAT. So if you guys are like planning for CAT 2021, are you guys are if you guys are planning for CAT 2021, are you guys are planning for MBA this year itself? Are you preparing for your OMATs and all other exams? Take plus subscription, use my referral code. You'll be getting whatever maximum discount at that time is there on the Unacademy purchases. Okay, so these are all the benefits that you all get. I hope you all are aware of top educators, batches, test series, special classes. If you have any doubt, you can ping me anytime there on Unacademy, as well as this is my profile link, Rahul Anant. You can just go there, you can message me if you have any doubt, any queries related to your CAT 2021 preparation or CAT 2020. If you are facing any problem, you can just ping me and we can discuss whatever best we can do there. Fine, so that's it. Thank you all for joining this session. Let's meet tomorrow at same time, 7 to 8 p.m. Fine. So this session will keep happening till 27th. I understand you need definitely one day off. So till then, this session will happening every day. So join for that. You'll learn something there. I will not suggest you to change your approach much there. Whatever you're doing, that is right, that is good. Just must do these questions what I am telling. Like if you are able to follow what my approach is there, then definitely try to follow that. If you're not able to follow, no issue there, but do the questions whatever approach you are using. Okay, that thing is the important, that thing is important, because at this time I don't want you to change your approach. I'm just telling you this can be the way to solve this question. If you like, you can stick to that matter, but if you're not able to understand that, this is not a complete class there, I'm explaining every concept, so I also don't expect you from you to understand all the part there, but important part is to doing these questions. This is the important part. Okay, Timing Riddhi is 7 to 8. 7 to 8 tomorrow, same time. Fine. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you all for joining this session. Let's meet tomorrow at same time, and we'll do some new concepts again, new questions. So I hope you understand the thing that I'm trying to say. That doing this question is the important part. If you are able to understood my approach, if you are able to follow that, great. Use that approach. Else, whatever you are using, that is also fine. Okay, you will have enough time in the exam. Fine. So bye bye. Let's meet tomorrow at same time.